That's not working quite right. Now is it?
Banks and banks of humming machinery. I've never seen so many knobs. Here, try that button over there. No. Check that button over there.
Okay, let's take this broken thing apart. It's pretty easy. 4 screws, 2 on each end. You do have to take them all out. And then the ends come off. And then you'll see there's see if I can get this in there, a little rubber grommet around the power lines right there. That's your AC in, and then it slides out. I don't bother taking this grommet out, there's no need. Just deal with it dangling there. And then this case here is just clipped into place, so you gotta find a good spot to sort of pop it. Let's see, where can we pop it? There we go. Yeah, that's all we needed. Pop this out, pop that out, and you have access to the circuit board. I can pretty much guarantee you, even though this isn't showing any signs of failure, I can guarantee you this capacitor right here, it's a 470 microfarad 35 volt 105C Young Lee. It is interesting that it's not bulging, but it's definitely going to be why it's failed. I have some other ones from other ones that I've done. Here's another one. It's got a bulge to it, and its bottom's popped out. So this one lasted the longest out of all of them thus far, about 6 years. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this replaced, and we'll come back here and show you putting it all back together. Yeah, so there it is, soldered in, a little bit of hot glue. The other one didn't have it, it was just sort of hanging loose, so that'll keep it from wiggling around. Both wires came out of one side, and this one the other side. Really doesn't matter too much as long as you put it in right way around. They're the same on both sides. Snap it shut, and then the end of this case that has the notch gets the grommet and the 120 volt, so you slide it in opposite. Bring these wires around, get that grommet back into place very carefully. Don't want to hurt the wires on that sharp metal. Get the back side, the low voltage side together. Get these screws in. Should be solid. Make sure that this is all the way in there. And then the door, I don't know if you could see that. See if I can get the right angle on the thing. It goes in this little channel. So, door slides in there. And then this side, which has the ground on it, ground obviously goes in that part of the box, back into these little tabs, and put the screws back in. Ta-da! Now, you have a repaired, long-lasting razor light.